Okay fellas, I put it in, done it's like one of these big bricks, bolstered it with some tiles under there to make it level, and I'll melt a, oh gee, the rain's coming in pretty soon. I'm going to melt a slot in there fairly quickly, so I'll just do a spot colouring on the actual surface, or the battery's going to run out, so I better do it quickly because I was filming quite a lot. Okay, there you go fellas, that's just settled in. Hopefully it'll settle in before the rain gets, otherwise we could probably get a lot of splash and expose the newspaper cellulose, but hopefully there's a bit on the side there, we can put that in, and then I'll plant some plants in there, definitely these and the fern. Now when I was a member of the Fern Society of Southern Abbottland, they did mention that they like a lot of magnesium, and I'm wondering, is it just the magnesium, or do they get nitrogen from the chalk via the magnesium sort of thing? It's like a transfer molecule and a atom. Well, it's probably going to be some sort of complex getting in there, and maybe we'll get a fantastic dramatic response. We'll stop all this sort of losing the colour bizzo, and we'll stay to this nice green, this sort of green here. That's what I'm talking about. Now can you imagine having some Dioneer with that sort of greenness, this sort of green here? Can you imagine having something like that, but with fly traps, and that sort of succulent, you know, nasty, gnarly looking, you know, sort of look to them? Can you imagine having that? So hopefully we're going to get there eventually, but we've still got some other stuff to work out. Why these ones aren't pinking. If we can work out why these ones over here aren't pinking, then I think we'll be able to go another step up, I think. You know, one step ahead or one step beyond sort of thing. So hopefully, anyway, I'm 2 notches down. It may be a bit dark for this sort of kind of sky, but it's coming in and it's going to be raining for the next few days, but it should settle these other pots down, and we'll see if this one gets any better, and we might try a copper one then, depending on how this one goes. We may have to actually combine the two, go down the copper, go down that pathway and bring the two together to finally have the final solution. But everything's on the go now, even my fly trap over there is starting to kick out some new leaves, so if I can get in there before the 27 seconds, as you can see there's new leaves coming out on that one, so everything else is starting to make a bit of a move. So I don't think I'm going to pop those up again, fellas. I'll just buy some new ones, keep these ones going, and just buy some new ones. I think that's the way it's going to be. Anyway, over and out for this this clip. Okay, but geez, that